Thank you for joining me, Sarah. We're going to have a quick look today at how we add diaries into Titan email. So let me just share that process with you. We're going to email. Right, so as an example, to access nearly all the kind of goodie areas of Titan, we actually have to go and get as if we're creating an email. So there's some new stuff in here. Groups is always been there, but it's actually very good. But now they've got campaign, which is bottom left. So you might like to have a look at that and play with that because that allows you to send campaign emails to groups of people, and they won't see who else has been sent the email. Okay, it's like a BCC thing, so that's quite good. But here's the big one here. If you click on this Add Titan's booking link here at the bottom, right, so what we've got here is the ability to create a new service. So as an example, of course, these are all for Multics, for .co.uk, for the domain name. You can put in here the name of your service, the link that you want, how long you want the duration for, and a description. And then obviously you can have a video call, and then you can set the link that you're using. So it could be Google Meet, it could be Zoom, free Zoom, or whatever. You can set that in there. So when you create it and continue, it takes you through to, I think, the ability to set up your service ability, others, and share. So in other words, you can once they're set up, you can actually see where, and whoever it's set up for, they can actually see what bookings are coming in. So I can see here quite clearly, I've got a rescheduled appointment coming in today at 1 o'clock Malta time for an hour. I've got another one here with Richard Scott at 3 o'clock for an hour. Okay, so this is really, really good stuff.
Yeah.
The other thing here is you can set your availability. So, you know, if you're not working Wednesdays, for example, you can strike off Wednesdays, or if you want to work Saturday mornings, you can. And that's all built into it. The You can block time here as well. Obviously, you can block time off completely. You can also join up multiple Titan accounts. So, for example, you could, as an example, join up all the Lares VA accounts. Why not?
Mm.
And that way they can see who's on point, who's taking meetings, who can't speak now because they're on a meeting, etc., etc. So we can do that. We can certainly do it from my perspective. I want to share my diary with everybody so everybody can see exactly what's going on at all times, and it avoids this confusion that we had, which was a workaround where I linked in Google
Yeah.
Google Calendar. And increasingly, we know that anything to do with Google is viewed as being unprofessional. We shouldn't be using Google email at all. If we've got anybody who wants to get around that as a workaround, we can create them a smartphone page actually. So their Gmail is hidden. But certainly for all our VA and all the board, everybody associated with Multics, we will be using Titan email and diary. All right, so I just like you to go in and start playing with this because what happens when it's set up is really quite cool. So what it enables me to do, here's me sending an email to you. Let's send it to Sarah. So let's send it to Rosie. Okay, as an example, as a test. Okay, I can go here and I can add my booking link. So it could be that you're setting an appointment for, Jane Smith, who's a Larry's VA. It could be that something's come through from Multics Connect. Lauren said, please set up this appointment. It's so simple to do. You just go into their email, set it up, and it's done. Great.
Yeah.
So you add it like this. You simply click add. Look, there it is. I mean,
Mm.
that's how clever it is. All right. So obviously what happens then is that and obviously I'm recording this so people can see this. When you log into your Titan email at the top here, you've got calendar and you've got your booking. This bit here is new. Okay.
Mm.
So you click on your calendar, it's like so, bingo. You can see, so today I can see very clearly I've got a call at 1 o'clock and 3 o'clock. And what will happen is that 30 minutes prior, I would be alerted by Titan that I've got a call, and then 10 minutes prior. All right. So really, that's the end of the training, unless you've got any questions, Sarah.
And no, everything was clear.
It's pretty straightforward, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, let me just stop the recording.